In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Lazada Pay Later to GCash. Right up front, here's the key idea. There's no official way to transfer Lazada Pay Later credit straight into GCash. Pay Later is a credit line designed only for purchases on Lazada. However, there is a practical workaround many people use. You can spend your Pay Later credit on GCash load vouchers or prepaid digital credits sold on Lazada, then redeem those in your GCash app. Think of it as indirectly topping up your GCash balance by buying a digital product you can apply to your wallet. Just remember, there's no direct transfer button, and you should avoid any service that claims to convert Pay Later to cash or GCash for a fee. Those offers are almost always scams. Start by opening the Lazada app and making sure your Pay Later is active and has enough available credit. Before you proceed, review the due date and any fees or interest so you know the real cost of your top-up. In the search bar, look for GCash load vouchers or ewallet top-ups. Aim for listings from official stores or well-reviewed digital goods sellers. Read the product description carefully to confirm the denomination, delivery method, and validity period. Some products deliver a voucher code, while others process the top-up directly to your mobile number. Double-check that the number you provide matches the one linked to your GCash account. Avoid sellers that ask you to chat off the app or provide sensitive details. Add your chosen voucher or top up to your cart, proceed to checkout, and select Pay Later as your payment method. Confirm the total amount, including any platform fees or interest, then place the order. Delivery for digital goods is usually instant, but it can take a few minutes. Keep an eye on your Lazada messages and your email for the code or confirmation. If you receive a code, open your GCash app and follow the redemption instructions provided by the seller or on the voucher page. Enter the code exactly as shown and wait for the balance to reflect. If it's a direct e-wallet top-up, you should see the funds appear automatically in your GCash, sometimes after a brief delay. Keep screenshots of your order and the voucher details until the value shows in your account. To stay safe, never share one-time passwords, PINs, or voucher codes with anyone. If a code fails or a top-up is delayed beyond the stated window, contact the store through Lazada and reach out to Lazada support in the app. That's it. Use your Pay Later to buy legitimate GCash load vouchers or prepaid credits on Lazada, redeem them in GCash, and avoid any third-party conversion services. Use this method responsibly and keep track of your Pay Later repayment to avoid extra charges.